Most people think passive income is only for rich people or tech geniuses. The truth is, many normal Americans build passive income from home with simple systems. Passive income means money that keeps coming even when you are not actively working every hour. For most Americans, this sounds like a dream, because life already feels expensive and stressful. Rent keeps rising and groceries cost more every month. Credit card bills never seem to disappear. Many people want extra income but feel tired after long workdays. Passive income from home matters because it gives you breathing room. It gives you control over your time and your future. This video will break down real passive income ideas that normal people use from their living rooms. You do not need to quit your job to start. You need patience and the right approach. The main passive income ideas we will cover are digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, print on demand, online courses, dividend investing, high-yield savings, and simple automation services. Most people think you need design skills to sell digital products. That belief stops many people before they start. The truth is, digital products can be very simple. A digital product can be a checklist or a planner or a short guide. The correct step is to solve one small problem clearly. A realistic example is a busy mom selling a meal planning template on Etsy. Many people believe affiliate marketing is spammy or saturated. This belief comes from seeing bad examples online. The real truth is, affiliate marketing works when you focus on helping, not selling. The correct mindset is to recommend products you already trust. A simple example is a person sharing honest product reviews on a small blog or Pinterest page. People think YouTube requires showing your face or being famous. This belief keeps many people silent. The real truth is faceless channels work every day. The correct step is to focus on topics like finance facts or motivation or explainers. A real example is a channel using voiceovers and stock clips to earn ad revenue. Most people think you need inventory to sell physical products. This belief creates fear of risk. The truth is, print on demand requires no inventory at home. The correct step is to upload designs to platforms that handle printing and shipping. A realistic example is selling quote-based t-shirts through an online store. Many people believe they are not experts enough to teach. This belief is usually false. The truth is, beginners want guidance from someone one step ahead. The correct mindset is to teach what you already know clearly. A simple example is a person teaching basic Excel skills through short recorded lessons. Some people think investing is gambling. This belief comes from short-term thinking. The real truth is dividend investing rewards patience. The correct step is to invest consistently in strong companies. A realistic example is reinvesting small dividends from index funds every month. People often ignore savings accounts as boring. This belief costs them free money. The truth is high-yield accounts pay more interest with no effort. The correct step is to move idle cash into better accounts. A simple example is earning monthly interest from emergency savings. Many people think automation is complex or technical. This belief blocks easy income paths. The truth is, basic automation solves real business problems. The correct step is to learn simple tools like email automation. A realistic example is helping a local business automate appointment reminders. Passive income from home is not magic or instant. It requires patience and consistency. The biggest shift is moving from trading time for money. Small systems can grow into stable income over time. You do not need all ideas at once. You need one idea and steady action. Money is less about luck and more about habits built quietly over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.